What do you think about this trailer? I have a full video in my channel if you haven't checked it out already. We caught so many fish in this trip. Today, I'm going to use the cod fish to make some delicious dumpling. Meant for cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's start prepare. To make the dough, you need the 500 grams of flour and 250 grams of water. Add 2 grams of salt. Pour water into the flour. Mix it well with chopstick and hands. Cover the dough with saran wrap and let it sit for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, knead the dough again and let it sit for another 20 minutes. Repeat this for a couple times. To prepare the fillings, there's the 2 pounds of cod fillet. Slice them and then chop it into small pieces. Then we need some chopped scallion and gingers. Add ½ pound of ground pork to the fish. Add 2 teaspoons salt and 2 teaspoons chicken bouillon. Add 1 teaspoon sugar and 1 teaspoon white pepper. Add 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons seasoned oil. Finally, add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Now thoroughly mix all the ingredients. Chop some chive and add to the fish meat. Divide the dough into 3 small pieces. Make the dough like a rope. Cut the dough into small pieces. Apply flour to prevent sticking together. With a roller to make a dumpling skin. To make the dumpling, add the filling into the skin and fold the edge and squeeze, stick them together. To cook, add the dumpling into the boiling water. Stir it from time to time. When the dumpling floats up, add a cup of cold water. Repeat it for a second time. When the dumpling floats up again, they're ready to be taken out. Let's make some garlic sauce. Add some salt into the garlic cup. Smash the garlic very well. Add soy sauce and vinegar. Add some chili sauce. Normally, people use pork or beef to make a dumpling, and very rarely people use fish as the meat. But fish dumpling can be very tasty. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you could, please subscribe my channel so you won't miss any of my future posting. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.